Hello viewers, today we are going to see complex sentence. First of all, complex sentence means one simple sentence plus one or more dependent clauses. Here is one example. He said that he was innocent. In this sentence he said simple sentence or main clause. Then that he was innocent is a dependent or subordinate clause here. In order to make a complex sentence, you have to break the original sentence into two simple sentences and join with the subordinated words like as, if, unless, because, since, though, although and WH words. पहा ठिकाणी कॉम्प्लेक्स मिश्र वाक्य तयार करत असताना जे मुख्य मूळ वाक्य दिलेलं असतं त्या मूळ वाक्याच्या त्या ठिकाणी दोन साधी वाक्य तयार करायची असतात आणि ही वाक्य सबऑर्डिनेटेड जी काही वर्ड्स आहेत किंवा कॉन्जंक्शन्स आहेत, उदाहरणार्थ लाईक, ॲज, इफ, अनलेस, बिकॉज, सिन्स, थ्रू, ऑल्दो अँड WH वर्ड्स इत्यादी शब्दांनी त्या ठिकाणी कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेन्स तयार होत असतात. त्यानंतरचा जो प्रकार आहे कंपाऊंड सेंटेन्स म्हणजे संयुक्त वाक्य. दोन साधी वाक्य पहा, two simple sentences joined by coordinating conjunctions like. समसंयोगी उभयन्वयी अव्यय जे आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये समान दर्जाची वाक्य जोडण्याचे जे काही उभयन्वयी अव्यय आहेत किंवा त्या ठिकाणी शब्द आहेत and, or, yet, either or, neither nor, not only but also, etc. So friends, you can see the examples here. Be diligent and you will succeed. Make it complex sentence. If you are diligent, you will succeed. Then as soon as he got the telegram, he left. Here is the make into a compound sentence. He got the telegram and left immediately. Keep quiet or you will be punished. Make it a complex sentence. Unless you keep quiet, you will be punished. We eat to live. Make it complex sentence. We eat so that we can live. Then fifth sentence, his partner died and this adds to his difficulties. Change into simple sentence. His partner's death adds to his difficulties. Then you can see that such type of examples, with the help of this video you can solve complex sentence and compound sentence, whatever it may be. It's very simple and easy to understand. If you like this video, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you.